Hello everyone, welcome back to unit number 6 of our PYQ practice of software engineering. I hope you all guys are doing well and watch video till end, and without any delay let's start our questions. So our first question is, the goal of software quality management is to reduce bug to zero, ensure software meet user requirements, or speed up development, or use latest tools. So the correct option is ensure software meets user requirements. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, ISO stand for, options are International Software Order, International Standard Organization, Internal Software Operation, or Independent Software Office. So the correct option is International Standards Organization. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, SEI CMMI stand for, options are Software Engineering Institute Capability Maturity Model Integration, or Software Evaluation Index of Continuous Monitoring, or Software Enhancement Initiative, or none of the above. So the correct option is option A, Software Engineering Institute Capability Maturity Model Integration. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, CMMI level 5 indicates, options are initial stage, optimized process, repeatable process, or managed project. So the correct option is optimized process. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, PSP stand for, options are personal software process, public software planning, project specific process, or private software policy. So the correct option is option A, personal software process. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of these is a Six Sigma goal? Options are deliver software in 6 days, 3.4 defects per million opportunities, or reduce team size, or cut documentation. So the correct option is 3.4 defects per million opportunities. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, software maintenance includes all except perfective, preventive, adaptive, or destructive. So the correct option is software maintenance include all except destructive. So the correct option is destructive. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of these supports modular reuse of software? White box testing, component based development, waterfall model, or debugging. So the correct option is component based development. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, CAE tools are used in, options are software quality only, software development automation, network monitoring, or hardware testing. So the correct option is software development automation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, regression testing is associated with speed testing, retesting after changes, UI design, or scheduling. So the correct option is retesting after changes. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, agile development promotes complete documentation, heavy planning, iterative development, or waterfall approach. So the correct option is iterative development. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, in Scrum, a sprint is typically 1 month, 3 month, 1 day, or 1 year. So the correct option is sprint is for typically 1 month. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, who maintain the product backlog in Scrum? Developer, Scrum Master, product owner, or testers? So the correct option is product owner. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, daily stand up in Scrum should last 60 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or as long as needed. So the correct option is at last 15 minutes. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, XP stand for extra productivity, extreme programming, execution process, or expert programming. So the correct option is extreme programming. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, pair programming belongs to, options are spiral model, extreme programming, RAD, or V model. So the correct option is option B, extreme programming. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, the concept of user storage is central to waterfall, Scrum, RAD, or spiral. So the correct option is Scrum. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which one is not a key agile principle? Options are working software over documentation, customer collaboration, contact negotiation, or responding to change. So the correct option is contract negotiation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is red emphasize minimal user interaction, sequential development, rapid prototyping, or extensive documentation. So the correct option is rapid prototyping. Now we are moving to the next question. Next question is adaptive software development focuses on fixed planning, rigid tools, continuous adaptation, or test only approach. So the correct option is continuous adaptation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is Scrum Master is responsible for coding, testing, removing obstacle, or UI design. So the correct option is removing obstacles. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is Agile Manifesto was introduced in 1995, 2001, 2010, or 1980. So the correct option is 2001. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is the software cloning process refers to options are backing up code, creating multiple instances with slight changes, encrypting code, or debugging. So the correct option is creating multiple instances with slight changes. Now we are moving to the next question. Next question is aspect-oriented programming aims to options are improve inheritance, separate cross-cutting concerns, enhance loops, or manage threads. So the correct option is separate cross-cutting corners. Now we are moving to the next question. Next question is test-driven development involve testing after development, writing test cases before code, or hiring testers, or ignoring bugs. So the correct option is writing test cases before code. Now we are moving to the next question. Next question is CMMI level 2 represents optimizing, managed, initial, or repeatable. So the correct option is repeatable. Now we are moving to the next question. Next question is functionality, usability, and maintainability are part of testing tools, software quality attributes, or programming paradigms or licensing. So the correct option is software quality attributes. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is ISO 9126 is related to hardware communication, software product quality, or testing hardware. So the correct option is software product quality. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is component based software engineering focuses on entire software from scratch, code generation, building system from reusable components, or testing first. So the correct option is building system from reusable components. Now we are moving to the last question. Last question is Six Sigma DMAIC stand for design, model, analyze, integrate, or control, or define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, or design, measure, adapt, improve, clone, or design, model, adapt, integrate, or control. So the correct option is option B, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So don't forget to share it with your friends and hit a like button if you find this video helpful for your exam preparation, and share it with your friends. And best of luck for your exam preparation.